Will Nifty break below 23,000? Market outlook amid fragile sentiments. Vertical bar 27 January trends. GIFT Nifty trades with negative bias, indicating benchmark Nifty is likely to trade with negative bias in today's trade. That brings us to our call of the day. Suggests sentiments continue to remain extremely fragile considering the headwinds and pessimism that are lurking all over Dalal Street. Investors will have to navigate uncertainty amidst President Donald Trump's tariff threats. The only positive catalyst is that Chinese and Hong Kong stock markets are in limelight after Beijing unveiled new measures to encourage stock market investments. Meanwhile, the US President Donald Trump indicated that he would rather reach a deal with China instead of using tariffs following a conversation with President Xi Jinping. Trump's softening stance on tariffs toward China is providing some relief, though warnings of potential action against other trade partners is keeping uncertainties high. Long story short, there is a bright chance that Nifty could drop below the psychological 23,000 mark on closing basis as pessimism still continues to be the order of the day. Global cues are negative. In Friday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2758 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 2402 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are indicating lower high-low pattern on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 24,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 16.74 levels. At last check, USD INR was drifting lower at 86.18. Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 0.75 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 0.54. Nifty outlook. Nifty is likely to trade with negative bias amidst record exodus from the foreign institutional investors. This January so far, they have sold to the tune of Rs 69,080 crores. Nifty, CMP 23092. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 22,901 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,347 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 22,900 and 23,250. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 48368. Bank Nifty's biggest support now seen at 47,897 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 49,650 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 47,700 and 48700. Bias for the day is negative. The big question, can Nifty drop and close below its psychological 23,000 mark? Well, there is a bright chance that Nifty could drop below the psychological 23,000 mark on closing basis as pessimism still continues to be the order of the day. All bullish hopes now turn towards Union Budget 2025 to be released on 1st February. All bullish eyes on Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, who is expected to focus on the measures to boost consumption and support economic growth while maintaining fiscal consolidation path. The other two big catalysts in the near term. 1. The Federal Open Market Committee's next policy meeting on January 28th to 29th. 2. Delhi Assembly election voting on 5th February, results on 8th February. Buzzing stocks. The corporate India's Q3 earnings to trickle in today. Coal India, IOC, Tata Steel, Bajaj Housing Finance, Canara Bank, UBI, Adani Total Gas, Petronet LNG, Federal Bank, ACC, IGL, Piramal Enterprises, RailTel.